Hi guys. I don't know where that came from. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. For those of you who don't know, my name is Yolanda Monique and I'm here to do my Ipsy unboxing. For those of you who may not know, my sister had a severe medical illness, a situation, and she was hospitalized and life took over, and I wanted to be there for her, be with her at the hospital. And while she is out of the hospital, she's still dealing with the situation. Those of you who watch my video who I'm closer to and who have contacted me, you know what's going on. Thank you for your prayers. Continue to pray for her. But right now she's at a position and a place where I can focus back on other things in my life. So I have, and I don't know if you can see it, nope, wrong direction. Back there, I've got a lot of products that I've purchased at Home Goods, waiting for her at the hospital. I would, swing by different places while we're waiting for her chemo and all the other things. And so I definitely want to do a small Home Goods haul unboxing, but this is about my Ipsy. I honestly don't remember what I picked, but I love that the box is bigger. I love the colors in it. That is so gorgeous. So let's get started. Get this, and it says Glamoween, and it does talk about Beauty Boost, which I did cancel because I wasn't wowed by my choices, and I just thought I'd just take a break and then just purchase things individually. First thing I'm pulling out is the Glow System Illuminating Face Moisturizer. I honestly cannot remember what I picked, what they picked. I honestly don't remember. That's a pretty good size. So this one is Illuminating Face Moisturizer. It illuminates, softens, and moisturizes. Ultra effective, high yet lightweight moisturizer nourishes and fights environmental stress for luminous all-day glow. Vitamin C, rich alma, nature's most powerful antioxidant, paired with aloe, avocado oil, malua oil, and other plant-based super ingredients, brightens skin appearance. Apply to clean, dry skin AM and PM. So yeah, I definitely will add this to my stash of moisturizers, and I'll eventually get to it. I'm using another type of moisturizer, but it's a glass jar, and again, I'll let you know if they picked it or I picked it. The next thing, which I know I did not pick this, so they had to have picked it. It's Ofra, and it's Miami Benavides in Miami. It's a mini mix face palette. Oh, and the reason why I know I didn't pick it is because the last two Ofra palettes that I've gotten when it was BoxyCharm, I ended up giving those away because I just wasn't feeling them. So this one has some really nice colors. Let me see if I can read the back of it. So 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. So these are going to be the bronzers. The middle are going to be the highlighters, and these are going to be the blushes. I haven't decided if I want to keep this or not, but I mean, it comes with this. You can at least see the name of the highlighters. I honestly gave away all of my Ofra highlighters. The Ofra blushes I gave away. I don't know. It's something about the formula I'm just not wowed about. It could be also that their color story for their eyeshadows, because the ones that I had were a face palette where it had eyeshadow, blush, highlighter. I just felt like I already had something that pre-existed that I loved, and it just did not add to my collection. This is the Tula Skincare. I've had this before. I've had Tula specifically. So this is So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I think I might have picked this. I don't remember. Because I know over the summer, especially with I work in education, and I had this month and a half where I was going and getting everything ready for school to start and starting all these other things, and my skin went psycho. And so I'm pretty sure I probably picked this, but this is, it is a pumpkin exfoliating scrub, probiotic and superfoods. Really curious to see about this. The next thing I have is Biro New York Celery Alpha Hydra AHA LHA Resurfacing Serum. So, oh, that is interesting. Look at that. Again, not gonna open this because I already have one acid, but I probably will put this in a rotation a little sooner than the others I have because I'm really curious about this one. So this one is a powerful yet gentle AHA and LHA, lactic hydraulic acid is LHA, and resurfacing serum formulated with celery that effectively decongest for luminous, clear looking skin. Gently shake it to blend the formula. Apply a few drops to the face and neck morning and night. Can be used daily. Oh, you don't remove it, so you just leave it on there. That is going to be very interesting. I'll probably use it at night and then see how my face reacts to that. The next thing, it looks like the last two things are makeup because I was like, this is a heavy skincare box. So this is contacts. I don't even know what it is. It's a brow pomade. I do remember picking this because I had used up my e.l.f. brow pomade, and the one that I had got from P. Louise during the summer, we had a power outage, melted that bad boy. When it came back together, it did not look right. So I was like, I want to use another one. So you can't see it, it's clear, it's basically wax, but that's it on my hand. So I'm definitely going to put this in into rotation a lot quicker. So one is a pencil side. So this one says the pencil side, and so that's what that looks like. And then the other side says brush. Oh, it's just one of those. I think Fenty to me is the first one that brought this brush into popularity or usage. Yeah, I'm definitely going to use this one. This one I can let you know probably by the end of the month if I like it or not. Last but not least, and I don't know why I yelled that, is Lauren's. I don't know. Ooh, I do remember picking this. It is a lip oil. Oh, it smells like strawberries. Has a doe foot applicator. Oh, that smells good. I used up my last lip oil, and I know P. Louise has sent me some, and I ended up giving 2 of them to my sister because she was like, ooh, what is that? So I gave it to her, and okay, the packaging is hard to read because it's white on light. So yeah, it is strawberry. So the flavor scent is strawberry. So I'm curious to see if this lip oil is worth it, if it's any good or not. So I have 3 makeup products and 3 skincare. With one of them I purchased. Most likely I probably purchased the skincare. I felt like it was a nice blended box, 3 and 3. I probably on the next selection, depending on what they give us, I might try to put more makeup because I really want more makeup, and that's why I purchased P. Louise. Sorry again guys for the MIA for a while. Hopefully you'll understand. Family comes first, and it just goes to show how precious your health is. It is the most precious gift God has ever given us. So please take care of yourself, whether that be mental health, physical health, or emotional health. Look after yourself. Make sure that once you are whole and well, you're able to feed into and help others. Thank you for watching my video, and yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing your responses. Thank you. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Know that you are blessed in love, and I will check you guys out on the next video. Bye.